Assalamu alaikum beloved students. Welcome to the class of biology. In the previous video, we have started the exam based practice questions of the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In that we have completed these 4 questions, I think. Today we'll continue with the next. We should avoid taking medicines or drugs unless prescribed by a doctor. Give reason. Means we don't have to take medicines without the prescription of the doctor. Give reason for that statement. Several medicines have adverse side effects and have specific dosage levels, which if not followed may harm the body. Means every antibiotic and every medicine should be taken in a moderate, in a required amount. If we will take it in a higher amount, then it will create some side effects in our body. Hence we must have to prescribe it. यानी डॉक्टर ने जितने टाइम तक लेने के लिए कहा है उतना ही ले, उतने ही लेवल में ले. Suppose if they have asked us to take twice in a day, then you must have to take it in a twice in a day. If you will take it thrice or more than that, then it will create the side effects in your body. So take it in a required and prescribed amount. It can be addictive also and it can ruin our health. So we must have to prescribe, we must have to take the prescription of that, and then we have to take any medicine. Note it down. Done. Next, few of Paheli's classmates eat potato chips and burgers regularly during the recess. Are these healthy eating habits? Give reason. Means a few of Paheli's classmates eating chips and burgers daily in the break time. So is it good for the healthy eating habit? Means is it good? Yes, then also give reason. No, then also give reason. So obviously no, these are not healthy eating habits because burgers and potato chips have very little nutritional value. We know that we must have to take the balanced diet and nutritional diet, and these two things will not consist good vitamins, minerals and nutritions, etc. So these are very tasty but can never replace regular meals that forms balanced diet and essential for adolescent for their normal growth and development. यानी ये भले ही टेस्टी है लेकिन it's not healthier for our body. So we should not have to take it on a regular basis. It's fine if you are taking once in a month, then it's okay, but not regularly. Okay. Also it contains the fatty foods, lots of fat, as well as oil also, which is not good for your skin as well as body. Note it down. Next, read the statements given below and fill up the blanks with the correct words listed below. यानी यहाँ पर कुछ words दिए हैं, you have to fill the blanks with the help of that words. So the meal that includes all blank is a balanced diet. यानी ऐसा meal जो सब कुछ क्या deep ductilase, nutrient or thyroxine? So obviously all the nutrients. So the correct answer you will write, that is nutrients. Insufficient production of blank in the tadpoles lead to their incomplete development. So the hormone responsible for the development in the frog, that is thyroxine, hence the correct answer is thyroxine. Endocrine glands are also called as ductless gland, and after attaining puberty boys develop a blank voice, yani deep voice, right? Note it down. You will note down, fill in the blanks with the answer. No need to write all the words given up. Done? The next one, fill the blank circles in the figure and identify the sex of child A and B. Here they have given one figure to you. Here they have put XX and XY, and in the A figure they have left two circles empty, and in B also. So here the first one XX, so both the circles are X, and in the next one X and Y. Now just follow this arrow. So for this circle, this X and this one, so ये circle में क्या है? X. So X and X chromosome means it will be female, and here for this circle X and Y means it is male. Okay. See, A is a girl. The ovum carrying X chromosome has been fertilized by X chromosome, this one, X and X. So the zygote with XX combination have female, and in this one B, X chromosome carrying ovum has been fertilized by the Y. यानी ये जो X था वो किससे fertilize हुआ? Y से. Hence XY combination will form the boy. Okay. So note it down. You have to draw this both, and then you have to write the answer. Done? Draw it properly. Okay. Such kind of questions they can ask in 2 marks. Draw it with the help of pencil. Okay. Done? So today we have completed this 4 to 5 questions. Now in next video we will continue with the more questions. Okay. Till then complete these questions. Thank you and have a